This is my take on Angry Lobster. I can't wait. Mr. Paparazzi's World Cooking Show. With my cooking video in Thailand, look at that view out there, absolutely spectacular. I've got the Golden Chef Chili Crab Singapore Chef Series sauce, and I've just whipped up here earlier. Just boiled some rice, jasmine rice, cashew nuts, frozen veg, thrown in there with some little herbs and spices. I've got the steamer about to rock up. We've got some noodles in here. So let's see what we come up with. Here's my lobster, just been steamed. So I've got my plate prepared with the rice, pineapple, cashew nuts, and mixed veg, frozen. And that is going to sit on top of that. All the meat all cubed up in big chunks. Then it goes in the noodles. Out of there, spoon it into the centre, the noodles. There you have it, that beautiful steamed lobster mixed in with that sauce. That is my Angry Lobster Thai style. Mr. Paparazzi's World. Bon appetit. Let's see how it tastes. Love the Singaporeans, love the Thai lobster, and with Daz's special recipe, this is Angry Lobster Giddy Up! Oh, and this is the clean-up. All done in 25 minutes though. Giddy up.